Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. We offer bottom line pricing on over 700 new vehicles. Cruise in and find the perfect one for you.
Need an SUV that seats 8 comfortably, that's as capable off-road as on, with built-in technology that connects and protects? Then you need a Nissan Armada. Choose from 4 models: SV, SL, Platinum, and Platinum Reserve. A 5.6-liter Endurance V8 provides 390 best-in-class horsepower. That's enough to tow up to 8,500 pounds. All-mode intelligent 4-wheel drive is available to widen your horizon. Add front and rear double wishbone suspension and rock-solid body-on-frame construction, and let the adventures begin. But don't worry, no matter where you go, everybody rides in comfort. Available leather interior surfaces add luxury and durability. Dual-zone climate control goes even further. Even the rear seats get their own controls. Nissan Connect with navigation brings music, phone, directions, and more to an 8-inch multi-touch display, while Nissan Intelligent Mobility adds driver assist features like intelligent cruise control and available intelligent blind spot intervention. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and genuine Nissan accessories, and build an Armada that's all yours. The Nissan Armada. Start your adventure today.
Rest assured you will receive fast, friendly, direct, and honest pricing at Jenkins Nissan. You can contact our internet team at 888-706-2134 or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.